I've been a teacher in Makini for the last 30 years. When I wake up in the morning, I feel that I have a lot of zeal because I know they have a very bright future. When I teach these young ones and they are able to reproduce, to apply, to remember the things that I've taught them, it gives me a lot of joy. Many students have passed through my hands, and majority of them are doctors, lawyers, great professionals. When I go out in the streets of Nairobi or to some certain offices and I meet them and they tell me, hey, Mr. Maina, my maths teacher, come. It gives me a lot of motivation to wake up another day and do the needful for these young ones.